First, I'm going to drag my image to Photoshop. I'm going to change the aspect ratio to 16:9 using the Generative Expand. I'm going to select the second of the three, and then I'm going to flatten the image. I'm going to select the Remove tool to remove unwanted elements and turn the subject wall blank. I'm going to select the Polygonal Lasso tool and select the white wall. Then, in the contextual taskbar, I'm going to enter the prompt. There are 3 generations to choose from. I like the second one. So I'm going to save it. I'll go to Export as then export it as PNG. Back in Photoshop, I can also save the other 2 if I want, but I'm going to continue with another prompt. I'm going to use History to go back to the Polygonal Lasso tool. Then type the prompt. The results are nowhere near the referenced artist's works. So I'm going to modify my prompt to be more specific. The results are not what I had in mind, but they are surprisingly good. As a matter of fact, 2 of the results are better than what I had in mind, so I'm going to save both of them.
I was in a jail cell for 3-4 months, solitary confinement, bro. But the only thing I had to read in there, the U.S. Embassy brought me an English Quran, bro. That's one of the only things I had to read in there, bro, for 3 months. I turned 24 inside of a jail cell, bro. I was 23 when I got locked up in Japan, bro. I turned 24 in a jail cell, bro. My life could have really been over, bro. I could have...